Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So today I going create this. Let's get started. Open Photoshop and click Create New. Click Print and choose A4. Let's name Ink Effect. And click Create. Click File and Open. Choose Image, the link download in the description, and click Open. Drag the image in Ink Effect. And click Ctrl+T in keyboard, and slightly smaller image. Click Folder and name Ink Effect. Click New Mask. Choose the image and click Select. And click All. Click Ctrl+C in keyboard. Hold Alt and click the mask. Click Ctrl+V in keyboard. And click Ctrl+D. Click Image and choose Adjustments. Click Curve. Remove Preview this image. Click the mask and click Ctrl+I in keyboard. Choose the ink texture and open. Drag the ink texture. And we move it to the folder. Click Ctrl+T and scale the image. Drag the texture to and scaled. And click OK. Choose the brush. The flow is 100 and opacity 100. Choose the blue color. And click Ctrl+T. The mode is screen. Click Ctrl+J and move the color. And click Ctrl+U and change the color. Click Adjustments icon and click Levels. Drag this to the right. And this. Move this to the left. And finish. This is tutorial today. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.